Hello guys, I am Sunil and welcome to MS classes. So guys, today we will discuss about the square and square root. Beta, this is very important topic from class 8. So what the meaning of square? When we multiply any number with itself, okay? When we multiply any number with itself, then we get a number that is the square of that number. For example, if I multiply 2 with 2, then 2 into 2 is equal to 4, then 4 is the square of 2, right? Now what is square root? Square root means when we divide the number by itself, okay? When we divide the number by itself, this is the answer beta, but when we divide the number by itself, this is the square root of your question, right? This is the simple way. Now how to find the square? Let me take one example. This is the class 8, right beta? Square and square root. So what is the square? Square of 5. We write this number like this. If we write the power of 5, this is the square of 5. Okay? Power of 5 means power of 2 of 5. This is the square. And we write this 5, the square is equal to 5 into 5, and this is 25, right beta? Therefore square of 5 is equal to 25. So beta, this is one of the simple example of your question, right? Now I will take one more example of a square of 5. This is 10. How to find the square of 10? This is 10 into 10 and this one is equal to 100. So beta, this is the answer of a square of 10, right? Now here we have some method by which we can calculate the square of our number. Beta, first method to find the square, this is diagonal method. Diagonal method to find square of number, even this number is a 2 digit or 3 digit or 4 digit. So beta, we will take one example of a 2 digit number. This is 25. So we have to find the square of 25. So beta, how to calculate the square of 25? First we see here we have 2 digit number. So we have to make a square with the 2 vertical boxes even, and now we get a 4 square. Okay, we have to divide one square by vertical line and horizontal line, we get a 4 square. Now we divide all square diagonally. We have to make the diagonal from right side to downward left side. So we divide all square with the help of a diagonal. Okay beta, now this is the picture. Here we write our first value. This is 2 on the top of first box and 5 on the top of a second box. Again we write the value of 10 digit on the top, on the front of a first box, similarly on the front of a second box. Now this is a very important topic beta. We have to multiply 2 into 2 with each other and we get the solution and write the solution here. Beta, 2 into 2 4, we write 4 like this. 2 into 2, this is equal to 4 and we write 4 is equal to 0 and 4. So first box by 0, second box by 4. Now 2 into 5, 2 into 5, this is equal to 10. 2 into 5, So I write 10 as like this. Okay. Now how to multiply 5 with 2? Then 5 into 2, this is 5, and 2, this is equal to 10. So I write 10 here. Now 5 into 5, this 5 and this 5, because we put the value of 5 into 5 here. This is 25. So this is 25. I put the value by multiplying all the number. 2 into 2 is equal to 4, 5 into 2 is equal to 10, 5 into 2 is equal to 10, 2 into 5 is equal to 10, and 5 into 5 is equal to 25. Now beta, we have to add all the numbers diagonally, right? We don't use outside a number, we add only number inside the box. Now here only 5, so we write 5. Here 1, 3 digit, first 2, 0, 2 and 0. The add of these 3 digits, this is equal to 2. 1, 4 and 1, this is equal to 6, and 0 as it is. Therefore, square of 25 is equal to 625. So beta, this is the answer of square of the number by diagonal method. Now beta, if I have any number more than 50, like 65, then how to find out the square of 65? Again, we substitute the value of 65 in front of the box. First, we divide the box by diagonally. Okay. Now in front of this box I write 65. On the top of this box I write 65 again, because we have to find the square of 65. So 65 into 65, we put the value here. When we multiply 6 into 6, this is 36. Then 5 into 6 is equal to 30. 5 into 6 is equal to 30. Then 6 into 5 is equal to 30. And 5 into 5 is equal to 25. Okay. Now again we write all the value after addition in front of these arrow. So first we have 5 only. Second 0, 2 and 0, this is 2. Third 3, 6 and 3. So this is equal to 12. And third 3 only. Now the solution is, we have to write 5 and then 2. Now only 2. Now 1 goes to next. This is plus 1. Then this is equal to 4, and we take this one. This 1 goes to next one beta. Therefore 65 square is equal to 4, 2, 2, 5. This is your answer by diagonal method. So beta, this is very important method, so you have to understand. Okay. Now one more method. This is column method. Column method. How to find the square? How to find the square by column method? If we have same number, let me take the number is 33. How to find the square of 33 by column method? So beta, we know a plus b whole square is equal to, if a is equal to 3 and b is equal to 3, let me take one digit different, let it is 4. Okay, then your answer is a square in plus 2ab plus b square. This is the formula you use to solve the question. Okay beta. Now here a is equal to 3 and b is equal to 4. Then our column method is we have to make the columns 1, 2 and 3. In first column we write a square, in second column we write 2 into a into b, in third column we write b square. Okay, now a is equal to 3, so this is square of 3, then 2 into 3 into b, this is equal to 4, then 4 square. Right beta? 3 3 is a 9, 3 2 is 6, 6 4 is 24, this is 24, and 4 4 is 16. Right beta? So now you have to write the answer. So first 6 and 1 goes to the next, this is plus 1, then this will become 25, then you will take 5 as your answer and goes toward next plus 2, 9 plus 2 11, right? So your answer is number under the line. So this is 34 square, this is equal to 1156. Okay, 115 and 6 is your answer. This is a way by which we can calculate the square by column method. This is one of the most important question beta. Now beta, how to find the square root? How to find the square root? Square root means if we have a number 25, then square root of 25 is equal to, I said, when an answer of this 25 is divided by itself, then this is equal to 5. Okay, this is a square root of 25. Therefore, square root of 25 is equal to 5. We can write square of 25 like this. This is square root of 25 is equal to 5. Right beta? This is the actual solution of a square root of 25. We have to make the group of same number. Right? Now let us take one more bigger question, like beta, find the square root of the following number. Let I take one number, this is 216. Find square root of 216, means 216. Okay, this is by prime factorization. Prime factorization, you know how to make the factors of 216, because this is even number, so we divide 2 ones are 2, 0, 8 2s are 16, again this by 2, 5 2s are 10, 4 2s are 8, again by 2, 2 2s are 4, 7 1, 7 2s are 14, then 3 9s are 27 and 3 3s are 9. These are the prime factor. So because 216 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2, okay, into 3 into 3 into 3. But beta, we have to make the groups of a 2 number only. Okay, so this is 2 into 3 into 2 into 3. So this is the 6 under root 6, and this is your solution. Okay beta, we take 2 out by making one group, we take 3 out by making one group. We have left 2 and 3 inside the sign. This is third, or this is a square root. So 3 into 2 is equal to 6. 3 into 2 is equal to 6. 1 6 inside, 1 6 outside. Right beta? This is the square root of 216. If I take one simple question of square root, this is 125 or 625. Like, let I take how to find the square root of 625. Again we find the prime factors of 625. Therefore this is number divided by 5. 5 ones are 5, 5 2s are 10, 5 5s are 25. Again 5 2s are 10 and 5 5s are 25. Again 5 5s are 25. Now because 625, the prime factors of 625 is equal to 5 into 5 and 5 into 5, then when we make the groups of these, this is equal to 5 into 5, we take the sign on those number, and this is equal to 25, and this is the answer of your question. So square root of 625, this is equal to 25. Why this is 25? Because we have two groups of 5 and 5. Right beta? Okay. So these three methods, first diagonal method, second column method, or third prime factor method. You have to remember all these three methods. Beta, there is many things, but firstly understand and solve related to these questions. I hope you have been understand the topic. Please like, share and comment my solutions beta. Okay, bye bye.